Hello friends, me Vamsi Krishna from Hyderabad. So how are you? All are fine. I think so all are fine. So we are coming with new workshop training program at Hyderabad on upcoming August 6th and 7th. It was a traditional bone alignment workshop and training program. So the trainer was coming from Kerala. He was Sanu sir he was coming from Kerala. So all know we are doing number of programs. So I conducted in different places. So it was a 2 days class. It will be very much helpful to acupuncturist, yoga therapist, physiotherapist, Ayurvedic doctors, homeopathic doctors, Unani doctor, Siddha, and all people will be beneficial from this workshop. And one more thing, it was totally a practical workshop, 2 days practical training program, traditional bone alignment therapy workshop. So the trainer was coming from Kerala. So I request all the people, please utilize this beautiful and future workshop, which will be very much helpful to your future. Please learn, support and help to the people. Thank you to all.